My name is Jeff Klein. These are my daughters, Skyla and Reese. Today, we're working on a really cool project to surprise Mom. I've been promising my wife to put a deck in the backyard for the longest time. The girls are gonna take Mom to the spa. They're gonna have an awesome day being pampered. And when they get home, Mom's gonna be in for a real treat. Tyler, how you doing?
Good, how you doing?
I'm doing great.
Tyler from Knotwood stopped by to help Jeff with this surprise for his wife.
Being from the Northeast, we love the wood look, but wood's a concern.
Yeah, especially in the Southeast, you're gonna have to deal with the moisture, the rotting, the mildew, and then also the termites. Originally, Jeff wanted a wood deck. We actually convinced him against it because of the weather, the Southeast with the humidity and the bugs. The maintenance on it would have just been astronomical. What we're gonna do today for you is we're gonna install Knotwood, and what Knotwood, it's gonna alleviate all those concerns.
Knotwood is an aluminum product that gives you the look and feel of wood without the limitations of wood.
With the aluminum, you don't have to worry about the rust, don't have to worry about heat. Basically, it takes all the worries away with the deck. We've already set the framing out for it. We're gonna install the Knotwood, and then you'll have a deck for years to come without all the maintenance.
When my wife gets home from the spa today, I'm just curious to see how long it takes her to realize it's not wood.
So we're gonna actually show Jeff how to use some tools that he hasn't used before and actually install the deck. It's really straightforward, really easy, and we'll get started.
Hey, what's up, Tyler?
I'm glad you could finally join us.
Yeah, I would have been here sooner, but I had to put my belt on.
That's nice.
My wife has actually accused me of not being very handy. So I usually call somebody to do all the work for me, but I want to be the guy. I want to learn how to help you put this deck together.
We can put you to work. It's pretty straightforward, pretty easy. So what we could do is you help me grab that side of the board, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna feed this end loop here into the previous one, and then, okay, and then we just lay it on down, slide it again so it's flush. Knotwood's so easy to install that I'm pretty sure Jeff can do it himself. Now what we'll do is we'll go ahead and start screwing this in.
What do you think?
Good. Now, only 8,000 more to go.
Oh, you want me to do all of them now? I see how this is gonna work. Man, I am working like a dog. My wife better appreciate this.
Wow, this deck's looking really nice. It's coming together. What are you thinking so far?
I think it's looking great.
Yeah, you want to help me finish it up?
I'd love to.
Yeah, pump the brakes. We got to figure out how to cut this up, and then we'll get the rest put in here. Let me show you how it's done.
All right, sounds good.
All right, so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna cut some of these last boards. So let me give you your safety goggles here.
All right.
We've already measured this, but we just wanna cut this little end piece off here.
Okay.
And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna push this button in here on the side, pull out, engage the trigger, and then cut away. Just let the blade do the work.
All right, so let's see.
Perfect, just like that, and that's how you cut Knotwood. So we'll
That's
take
pretty
this,
easy.
We'll take this over and we'll install this piece.
All right.
Along with the deck, Jeff is also installing a privacy wall using another color of Knotwood.
Wow, Jeff, this is looking fantastic.
I think the Quilla gives a great contrast to the driftwood.
The nice thing too, Knotwood comes in over 30 different types of wood grain effects, so we have different patterns, different colors, anything that you really want to match the needs that you have. And as you can see here, you can mix, you can match. We have a bunch of different shapes, a bunch of different sizes, so basically if you can think it, you can make it.
Let's get back to it and just keep
let's
putting
get to
these
work.
planks up.
The girls called Jeff to let him know that Mom will be home in 10 minutes.
10 minutes. We got to get this place cleaned up so we could surprise her. Can we do it?
Let's go, guys.
Babe, we're home.
Hey guys.
Hey.
Come on outside. I got steaks on the grill. Let's eat.
Oh, what did you do while I was gone at the spa?
How are you guys? What's
Oh
up, guys?
my God, what is this?
While you guys were at the spa, I've been working hard with my friend Tyler from
You've
Knotwood.
been working hard, or Tyler?
How are you doing?
We've both been working hard.
Yeah, you have to check this out.
You better forward that to me, because I definitely
It's hard to believe, I know, I know.
Yeah.
Good job, honey.
Honey, I really can't believe it's not wood.
I know, right? It's amazing.